Signs you found the love of your life. You see him and you feel butterflies in your stomach, you get excited every time he calls and you fell in love without remedy. But how do you know if he is the man of your life? If you are one of those women who believe they have found it but still doubt it, we present the 7 signs that you should keep in mind to know it. 1. You recognize your partner's flaws. While when you fall in love you may think that defects in the other are a non-existent thing, recognizing them may not be a bad idea. Surely it will seem unfair to judge a person in all its defects, but these can hinder the relationship and make it somewhat rough. If even when you notice those small failures you want to move on, rejoice. You are on a very good path. 2. He does not try to change you. If despite knowing that your room is a mess or that your specialty is burnt food dishes and your partner, regardless of that, continues with you without trying to change you, it is an excellent sign that he is the man of your life. Do not let him go. 3. By thinking about the wedding you are only interested in what comes next. If you have an idea of getting married but what interests you most is not to talk about the party but to make plans together in the future, have children and grow old next to each other, rest assured that he is the right man for you. 4. You have no complaints. When your friends tell you about their partner problems or those they have with the guys who they have gone out and you have nothing to say about your boyfriend, it is good news, because he is the ideal man for you. Be careful not to boast much about your situation as it can cause envy of other women who are likely to wish the man who loves you and do everything possible to conquer him. 5. He flatters you. When from nowhere he tells you that you look very pretty even without makeup on or without doing your hair and that despite your old clothes he finds you sexy, do not hesitate since he is the man of your dreams. 6. Enjoys your triumphs. If you receive a promotion in your job or succeed in your studies, he will encourage and wish you the best, because he will understand that if you are happy he can also enjoy it. He is so proud of you that he will not hesitate to let everyone know. He will probably become your #1 fan. 7. You are interested in both physical and emotional intimacy. Getting along in bed is a great thing, but what about the feelings? If they are true and you cannot imagine life without him, it is a clear sign that he is the love of your life. Do you think he is the man of your life? How did you come to that conclusion? If you want to learn more about the signs you found the love of your life, click or tap the link on or below this video to download my free ebook, How to Get a Man to Love You.